Been a while since we've had some traders tips, and I thought we'd start the feature again. We're going to call it Snakes and Ladders, which stands for going long and going short. And so we're going to start our first presentation on this on today, the 15th of September. So welcome. And the two shares I want to just discuss is Kagiso Media and Lonmin, of course, the third biggest platinum player. Looking at Kagiso, first of all, you can see the graph hasn't really gone anywhere. It's a share that doesn't trade all that often, and you can see there's times where it really peaked. So that's probably from the low volumes that come through the share, but it does show that there is opportunity for growth, especially on some positive news coming out from the company. You can see this triangle has developed, and one of two things is going to happen. Either the share price is going to break above it or break below it. If you look at the indications there in orange, there was a cross through the 21 and 40-day moving average, which was preceded by an upward move, and then we've had two crosses over the moving average. The one in red, that last little circle, indicates the last cross, and funny enough, it's also the same time that the triangle crosses over. In other words, where the lowest low and highest high have crossed over. So this indicates that something is about to happen with the share, and we seem to indicate from the stochastics and from the fact that there is almost a reverse head and shoulders position that it's very likely that we'll see a move upward in Kagiso, and that's something that we're looking forward to. Let's take a look at Lonmin. Here we're going to look at a candlestick chart instead of a normal line chart, just to give you a better perspective of what we're looking at. You can see that Lonmin has also had some breaks in the moving average, which were preceded by an upward rally, and this last break is also followed by an upward rally, although the break would have indicated further downward pressure, but this has gone contrary to that. The same way the triangle, that has indicated a break out of the triangle at that same time of that crossover on the moving average. So very similar type of position as if you pulled up any gold share at the moment. You would have seen gold breaking through this triangle and moving above that. So the question is, will Lonmin continue to move upwards? If you confident about it, you can play platinum, but what we're really looking at is in the last couple of days, it's had about 6 trading days above that triangle. The first 2 were positive, third trading day negative, another 3 positive days. That's including yesterday, which started off negative and ended up positive. So you can actually see from this last candlestick that most of the trade in the day was down. So you've got a ending higher, but largely trading lower during the day. Our expectations are that we're going to see a downward trade today. Sorry about that. You have seen almost a reverse head and shoulders situation before, which is normally an indication of a break upwards,